Oh no, it seems like something is wrong. It's Chooks, he's back with a new song. It's Chooks, he's back. Quadratic equation on the beat. Yo, hello, you did. My power just pick the last two values and then you are good. Hello, you did. My power just pick the last two values and then you are good. Hello, you did. My power just pick the last two values and then you are good. Hello, you did. My power just pick the last two values and then you are good. Hey pal, yes I know that you have picked the last two values and you are waiting patiently for the second step. Oh, this maths. You got to believe in yourself. The maths is easy. Okay, now listen, skip the first one, move to second, put your addition sign just above it. Move to third one, just do the same thing, but in this case it is multiplication sign. Hello, you my power just pick the last two values and then you are good. Hello, you my power just pick the last two values and then you are good. Hello, you my power just pick the last two values and then you are good. Hello, you my power just pick the last two values and then you are good. Now just one little thing to consider. The two numbers you will multiply to give this. The same numbers you must add and need to give that. And that's all. Let us move on to the second line. Now that we have got the two numbers, let us shift them away from one another. And then now they can stay with their own friends. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and factorize. Quadratic equation on the beat. Yo, hello, you there? My friend are just enough to run and then you are good. Hello, you there? My power just pick the last two values and then you are good. Hello, you there? My power just pick the last two values and then you are good. Hello, you there? My power just pick the last two values and then you are good. Yeah. Written by Chooks.